Nice pants.
Thank you. They're new. No, they're not just new. I wore them a lot. I wear them a lot.
Are you waiting in line to use the bathroom?
Actually, my roommate is in there and having sex with some stranger.
Oh,
Actually.
cool.
Should we go next? I'm sorry. I try to be funny. I supposed to be funny.
It's okay. I think you need to make reservations in advance. They're like total sticklers here.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to have someone waltzing in while you're using your restroom.
Yeah. I mean, there's a wait list though if you wanted to put us down.
In case there's something up.
Yeah. Yes. Look, how about this? I am gonna go and use the other bathroom, the one where your roommate's not having sex, and you know, by the time I'm done, hopefully they'll be done, and you and I could grab a drink. I am here with some friends.
Perfect.